Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. So, uh, today we are going to start with exercise 3.4, which includes the practice of one of the method to solve the pair of linear equation in two variable, that is elimination method. So, you can put a heading also of elimination method. Elimination method. In this elimination method, it is just different from the method that we have used earlier, which we were using substitution method. This method will allow us to solve the linear equation in short span of time, and it will save our time also, and this is a better method according to me. You will also feel if you will practice. So we are starting with exercise 3.4 directly without the introduction of anything, and this method we'll learn with a question only. Let us do exercise 3.4. So let us start with the exercise. Yes. So starting with exercise 3.4, where it is written that solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method and by substitution method. So each and every part of this question you have to solve by elimination also and by substitution also. Okay, so that you can compare the methods and you can easily be able to understand the same. Okay, that what is the difference between the two. So question number one, first part, x plus y is equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y. See how you have to attempt this question. First of all, write here substitution method. Now solve the question by substitution. So let us take this equation first and let us take this equation second. So from equation first, x plus y is equals to 5. So here we can take out the value of any of the variable, that is y minus 5, 5 minus y. This is the value of x. Put this value in the second equation. So put value of x in equation 2. So equation 2 is 2x minus 3y. So in place of x we'll write 5 minus y minus 3y is equals to 4. So look here carefully. 2 same in place of x, 5 minus y, then minus same, then 3y same, then 4. Multiply it inside with 2. Now 2y minus 3 minus 2y minus 3y is minus 5y. Here it is 4 and 10, just bring this side, it is minus 10. After this, minus 5y is equals to minus 6 and y is equals to minus 6 upon minus 5, and the value of y is 6 upon 5. This way we can solve this question. I hope you have understood. This is the same method we have used in the previous exercise. Now we'll solve it with, first of all we have took out the value of y. Let us take out the value of x also. The value of x is 5 minus y. So put the value of y in this, 6 by 5. So it is 25 minus 6 by 5 after taking the LCM. So this is equal to 19 by 5. So that's why the value of x is 19 by 5 and the value of y is 6 by 5. So these two values are our answers. Okay, so this is all correct, but we need to solve the question again by elimination method. So I'm telling you now elimination, how to solve this. Just see. Again we are going to solve the first part by eliminations. Right here by elimination. So let us write the equations again for elimination. x plus y is equals to 5. Let it be equation 1. And the second, 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. Let it be equation 2. See carefully these two equations. In elimination method, no, you have to just look for the variable, the same variables in both equations. Just see here, this is a variable x this side and this is a variable x. Now just see in these two variables, means the variable is same x, but in these two equations just see x. Here the coefficient of x is nothing, it means it is 1. Here the coefficient of x is 2. So what we need to do in elimination, we have to eliminate one of the variable. Either we have to cancel x or we have to cancel y. Here the coefficient of y is also not same. See this, what I am trying to say, the coefficient of x or of y should be same. Here the coefficient of x is 1, here coefficient of x is 2, here coefficient of y is 1, and here coefficient of y is minus 3. Here also the coefficient of y is not matching up, here also the coefficient of x is not matching up. So in this case, what we need to do and what is required, we have to just make the coefficient of any of the variable same. For example, right now I am just focusing on the x variable. I have to make the coefficient of these two variables same. Here the coefficient of x is 2 and here it is 1. We can make it 2 by multiplying the first equation by 2. So what I am writing here is multiply equation 1. You can't only multiply with x, you have to multiply the whole equation by, see, you can't only multiply with x. See, we are multiplying the equation by 2. Fine, you can't only multiply with x. So multiply equation 1 by 2. So full equation we have to multiply by 2. If you want 2 here, you have to multiply the full equation by 2. And let me multiply first of all. So I am multiplying it, 2x with this also 2y, and with 5 also we have to multiply by 2. This is 10. So 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. This is the first equation we have multiplied by 2. Now just see the second equation. If you will subtract these two equations, okay, for now let it be third equation. In the second question, no, I'll tell you again how to do. Right now I am just telling you, just follow the sequence. So first of all, what we have done, we have multiplied the first equation by 2. Now this be our third equation. Now we'll not see the first equation. Now we have to look for second and third equation. Now see this. Here it is 2x, here also it is 2x. In this equation also we have 2x, in this equation also we have 2x. So the coefficient of the variable is same in both the equations. This we have done by ourselves, willingly we have done this. Okay, so now what is the next step? Look here, if the coefficients are same, clear, now we need to think that how we can cancel these two, and these two we can cancel only if this is positive and this is negative. Then plus minus minus and this will get cancelled out. Plus minus minus and 2x minus 2x will be 0. Are you understanding? If here this equation is this 2x is positive, here also 2x is positive. If both these 2x are having the same sign here, it means this is also positive, this is also positive, then we have to subtract. With same sign, we need to subtract the equations. Subtract the equation. If the signs are different, then we have to add the equations. So see, this is very normal thing. If signs are same, then we have to subtract. If signs are different, we have to add. Just learn this out. Okay, rest you will be able to understand the moment you will do the first question. Now these two which we have done same, 2x and 2x, here the sign is same, positive. So if the sign is same, we have to subtract the equation. So subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So any you can write here equation 2 from equation 1 or equation 1 from equation 2. and whatever you have written after from this equation will write first. So sorry, it is not first, it is third. So subtract equation third from equation 2. So I'm writing this equation 2 here. 2x minus 3y is equals to 4, and this I'm writing here 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. Sign change. Why sign change? Because in subtraction, algebra, whenever we have to subtract, we have to change the sign. So 2x minus 2x cancels out. So minus 3y minus 2y is minus 5y, and 4 minus 10 is minus 6. So the value of y in with this step only we have took out, that is 6 upon 5. Now we can take out the value of x also again. By putting the value of x in any of the equation, I am able to find this equation very easy. So I'm using this equation 1, using equation 1, that is x plus y is equal to 5. So x plus y is equal to 5. Put the value of y in this. X plus 6 by 5 is equal to 5, and x will be equal to 5 minus 6 by 5. Take LCM. 25 minus 6, that is 19 by 5. So here the first question is over. See, the value of x and y is just same as we have to count in this question, means in the same question by other method. So whatever method, whichever method you are using, your answer will be same in both cases. Okay, have you understood this? First of all, we have to make the coefficient same. Either you can make the coefficient of the x same, or either you can make the coefficient of y same. Here I have used x variable, and I have made it 2x by multiplying the full equation by 2, because here it was 2. So I have multiplied the first equation by 2, so it is just converted into 2x plus 2y equals to 10. Now after that I have subtracted this. Why I have subtracted? Because whatever uh, variable you are using, if both are positive, if the sign is same, then we have to subtract the equation. So we'll subtract the equation so that we'll be able to cancel this out. Clear? So this is done. After this we can take out the value of y, and from here we can put this value in any of the equation above, in any of these three equations. So I have put the value in first equation, it was easier to solve, so that's why. So after this we are moving on to the second part of this question. 3x plus 4y equals to 10, and 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. Okay, so first of all we'll write here by substitution method. By substitution method, same this so the first equation is this. I have written this. Let us take out the value of x from this. 10 minus 4y, then x is equal to 10 minus 4y upon 3. This is the value of x. Put this value of x in the other equation, so we can let it equation 1 and equation 2. So put value of x in equation 2. So equation 2 is 2x minus 2y equals to 2. 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. You can make it easier by taking 2 common. 2 and 2 with this will cancel out, so it is converted into x minus 1 is equals to 1. X minus y is equals to 1. Put the value of x in this. 10 minus 4y upon 3. In place of x I have written this same. So after this we have minus y is equals to 1. Take LCM. 10 minus 4y minus 3y. This 3 will go this side. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. So this is minus 7y, and this is 3. This 10 will go this side, minus 10. So minus 7y is equal to minus 7. So y is equal to minus 7 by minus 7, that is equal to positive 1. After taking out the value of y, we can put this value of y in this. So after this we can write put just write this since x is equal to 10 minus 4y upon 3, so put the value of y in this. 10 minus 4 upon 3, that is 6 upon 3, that is equals to 2. So x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. So here we have used substitution. See, it is how much lengthy. From here to here, all the steps. Then we have took out. After these many steps, we were able to take out the value of y. Then after that, still we have put the value of y to take out the value of x. So this is a lengthier method as compared to elimination. So again, I am telling you elimination. So concentrate elimination now. So write by elimination. Those who were not able to understand in the previous question, they can again use their mind here to make yourself understand. So first equation is 3y plus 4y, 3x plus 4y is equals to 10, and the second is 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. Now what I have told you, that you have to make the coefficient of the variable same. Here we have coefficient of x3, here we have coefficient of x2, so they are different. We have to make them same. If not this, you can make the coefficient of y also same. So in this question, I am making the coefficient of y same. It is your choice. You can make any of the coefficients of any of the variables same. Here I am focusing now on y. It is 4y and it is 2y. It is 4y, it is 2y. So here we can multiply by 2 to make it 4y. Just as this, we have to make the coefficient same. No, it is 4. Here also we can make it 4. So first of all, let us write first and second equation. So multiply equation 2. Now we are multiplying. So multiply equation 2 by 2. With which number you have to multiply this? With 2. That's why then only no, it will become 4. So let us multiply this equation, and it will become 4x, then this 4y is equals to multiplied by 2, 4. So second equation we have multiplied by 2, this became 4x, this multiplied by 2, 4y, this multiplied by 2, 4. Now write here only, and we have to add these two equations, means we have to add or we have to subtract. Just let it be 3. Now just tell me, this second equation is converted into this 3 equation, yes, no? The second is converted into this by multiplication of 2. Now we have this third equation, which is the conversion of second equation, and this other equation is first. So first and third equation you have to match now. The coefficient of y here is also 4 and coefficient of y here is also 4. If the coefficient you have made same, now you have to, in the second step, what I have told you, you have to look for the sign. Here the sign is plus, here the sign is minus, and what I have told you, if the signs are different, then we have to add. Here it is plus and here it is minus. The sign are different in both the equations, so we have to add if signs are different. So let us add these two equations. Add equation 1 and 3. So 1 and 3, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, and here we have 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. While adding, no, we have not to change the sign, because addition doesn't require changing of sign. Cancels out, 4 plus 4y minus 4y cancels out, and this is 7x and this is 14. So x is equal to 14 upon 7, and here we got the value of x, that is 2. With many very less steps we have figured out the value of x. Equation same, multiplication, addition, and we got the answer of x. Okay, now we can take out the value of y in the same manner. Just put value of x in equation, any of the equation. Let us say take equation 1. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Put the value of x here. that is 2. So this will become 6. 6 plus 4y is equal to 10, and 4y is equal to 10 minus 6. So 4y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 upon 4, that is equal to 1. So value of y is 1 and value of x is 2. Clear? So again we have solved by elimination method. Okay. After this, the next part of this question. The next part is 3y minus 5y, sorry, 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. Or we can write like this, the way it is written here, minus 4 is equal to 0, and the second equation is 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Okay, so in this question I am solving it by substitution. See, you know, you can solve by substitution method, and elimination also I have told you now. Again I am doing by substitution and elimination method. So first of all, by substitution method, this is very substitution method. In this substitution method, let us write these equations first of all in the proper form. The second equation being, just bring this side, is not highly required in the substitution method. We can solve in this way also. It was fine. So just leave this. Okay. Let us solve with the same, the way it is written. Okay. So right now I am just using this equation because it is easy to use the equation. So 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Just bring this 9 this side. So in this way we have to out the value of x. Okay. Put value of x in equation 1. Let it be equation 1 and let it be equation 2. Put value of x in equation 1. Because we have used here equation 2. This is from equation 2. Here we have used equation 2, and from equation 2 we have to out the value of x. That's why this value of x we have to put in now equation 1. So equation 1 is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. Put the value of x, 3, 2y plus 7 upon 9 minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. This cancels out. Now 2y plus 7 upon 3 minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. Just take LCM. 2y plus 7 minus 15y minus 12 upon 3 is equal to 0. 3 will go this side, it will become subtract. Sorry, 3 will go this side, it will become multiply. 3 multiplied by 0 is obviously 0. So this is 2y minus 15y is minus 13y, and 7 minus 12 is minus 5 is equal to 0. So minus 13y is equal to 5, and y is equal to minus 5 by 13, because this 13 will go this side, it will become minus 5 by 13. So I hope this is clear. So the value of y is minus 5 by 13. We can take out the value of x in this way. So x is 2y plus 7 by 9. So x is equal to 2y plus 7 upon 9. So put the value of y in this, which is multiply minus 5 by 13 plus 7 upon 9. So this is minus 10 upon 13 plus 7 upon 9. And after this, take the LCM of 13, become 13 minus 10 plus 13 sevens are 91 upon 9. This 9 will come here only, and this is 81 upon 13 into 9, and with this 9 we can cancel this. So this is 9 upon 13. So value of x is 9 by 13. So value of x is 9 by 13. So value of x and value of y we have took out. In the same way, we can solve the same question by elimination method. See, in substitution, no, it is taking too many steps to solve a question, and again too many steps to solve the value of x and y. So let us go by elimination method now. Elimination. With elimination, I am writing the equation here: 3x plus, oh, not this. So it is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. So let us write the way we are writing always: 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. This will be first equation, and second, 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So let us also write this, bring this 2y this side. So 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. This is our second equation. Now just compare the coefficients. So here I am comparing the coefficient of x. Here the coefficient of x is 9 and here it is 3. So we have to make it same. So we can multiply it by 3. Now you are understanding it. I know. Here we are multiplying the equation by 3 to make it 9. Because here also we have the coefficient of x 9. So let us multiply. Multiply equation 1 by 3. See, if we'll multiply it by 3, it will become 9x. So it is positive 9x. It is also positive 9x. So we can write here only and subtract with equation 2. After multiplying it by 3, we can subtract with equation 2. Is it clear? We are multiplying it by 3 to make it 9x, because here also we have 9x, and after multiplying it by 3 it will become 9x. So it will be positive 9x, and here also we have positive 9x. So plus and plus means same sign. In same sign we have to subtract, and in different sign we have to add. So multiply first by 3. Let us multiply first equation by 3 first of all. So multiply it by 3, 9x. Multiply it by 3, it will become minus 15y. Multiply it by 3, it will become 12. Now this is second equation. Second equation we are not multiplying because it is already here 9x, and here also we have 9x. So let us write this second equation down, because we have to subtract the two equations. This new equation which we have multiplied, and we have to subtract this new equation by with second. So second equation we are writing just under this. Now let us subtract. In subtraction we have to change the sign. This is cancelled out, and here minus 15y and plus 2y, minus 13y, and this is 5. So y is equal to minus 5 by 13. I hope this is clear. So elimination, see how many steps? Only this I have written from the question. These two steps, and we got the answer. I have reduced the number of steps here. See here in this previous solution, no, what we have done. First of all, we have multiplied, then we have written this add first and third. But here we have not done in this way, because this is the way to do, the way I have done now. Okay, that previous two question, to make you understand better, I have done like that. Just we were multiplying it first, then we were writing in the next step subtract with equation something. So, but here you have to write in one statement only, multiply this by 3, and after that subtract with equation 2. So multiply it by 3, and after that just write this equation 2 under this and do the subtraction process, and you will get the value of y. So after taking out the value of y, put this value of y in any of the equation. So equation number 1, 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. By in equation 1, 3x minus 5y is equals to 4. Just put the value of y. So this will lead into plus 25 by 13 is equals to 4. Then 3x, take this side will become negative, and just take LCM. 13 fours are 52 minus 25 by 13. So this is x is equals to 27 by 13, and this 3 will come this side. This and this cancels out. So value of x is 9 by 13, and value of y is minus 5 by 13. Same as the substitution method we have done here. 9 by 13 and minus 5 by 13. 9 by 13 and minus 5 by 13. Okay, then write it down. Now we are starting with fourth part of this. Again and again I am doing the same just for you, so that you should be able to understand it better, and you should do extra questions also. I'll give the assignment of this chapter 2. Once the chapter get over, it will take time, one more week it will take to make this chapter over. We have many important questions here in the chapter. So fourth part, x by 2. It is not like this I have done these four parts, so this is only your homework to do it by elimination and substitution method. That is fine, this you have to do in your fair notebook, but you should practice more questions on this method from other books. For example, we have one book from school side, that is RS Agarwal, so you can practice from there. So in this type of equation in fraction, so we can convert this fraction into the simpler equation the way we were using in first, second and third. So here we can take LCM. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 1. 3x plus 4y is equal to 6 multiplied by minus 1, minus 6. And here 3 LCM, 3x minus y is equal to 3. So 3x minus 5 is equal to 9. Cross multiply. This is equation 1. Let it be equation 2. Okay. Equation 1 and equation 2. So after this, we can start with the process of substitution or elimination. So by substitution method, by substitution, just write this first equation. Take out the value of any of the variable. I am taking out the value of x, minus 3 minus 4y, minus 6 minus 4y upon 3. Put this value of x in second equation. Put value of x in equation 2. Equation 2 is 3x minus y is equal to 9. So 3 minus 6 minus 4y upon 3 minus 9 is equal to 9. 3 and 3 cancels out, and this bracket will open here only. Minus 6 minus 4y minus y is equal to 9. So minus 4y and minus 5, minus 4y and minus y is minus 5y, and here it will become positive 6 and it is 15. So minus 5y is equal to 15, and the value of y is 15 upon minus 5, which is equal to minus 3. Put this value of y in this equation. Put value of y in x is equal to minus 6 minus 4y upon 3. Minus 6 minus 4, the value of y is minus 3 upon 3, and this is value of x. So x is equal to minus 6 and minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12 upon 3, 6 by 3, this is equal to 2. So x here is equal to 2 and y here is equal to minus 3. So these are the required values. We can solve the same by elimination method also. Just write here by elimination. If you're solving by elimination, just let us write these two equations and let them be equation number 1 and 2. Solving it by elimination. See this. This is very easy to solve by elimination because here already the coefficient of x here are same. Yes, no, coefficient of x are same. So just we have to, if coefficient of the variable is same, any of the variable, here the coefficient of x is already same in both the equation, it is 3. If it is same, then there is no need to make them same. So no multiplication and nothing, just direct subtraction or addition. So just you tell me what we need to do. Here the sign of 3x and 3x are same, positive and positive. So with same sign we have to subtract. So let us subtract. Directly we have to write subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So equation 2 I am writing 3x minus y equals to 9. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Sign change in subtraction cancels out, and here minus 5y is equal to 15 and y is equal to 15 upon minus 5, which is equal to minus 3. So the value of y is minus 3. Put the value of y in any of the equation. In equation 1 we are putting the value 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. So 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. 3x minus 12 is equal to minus 6. 3x equals to minus 6 plus 12. 3x equals to 6. X is equal to 6 by 3, that is equal to 2. So in this way today we have practiced elimination method. So your homework on this basis is do question number 1 of exercise 3.4 by substitution and elimination method. Moreover, with this you can solve the example if it is given. Any example is given. Uh, yes. Okay. No. So you can practice this and you can practice RS as well. Okay. So this is for today. Okay. So many questions are given in RS. Please go for RS and solve the extra question from there. Okay. And fine. Over.